Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Students, in our last class we have discussed how to represent square root of a positive real number geometrically. So let us discuss some identities in real numbers. Root of a square root of AB is equal to square root of A multiplied with square root of B. Second, square root of A by B is equal to square root of A by square root of B. Square root of A plus square root of B whole into square root of A minus square root of B is equal to A minus B. Then A plus square root of B multiplied with A minus square root of B is equal to A square minus B. Then square root of A plus square root of B whole multiplied with square root of C plus square root of D is equal to square root of AC plus square root of AD plus square root of BC plus square root of BD. Then root A plus root B whole square is equal to A plus 2 root AB 2 square root AB plus B. So you can use by using the algebraic identity. So let us solve some examples by using these identities. Let us solve this example 16. Simplify. First one is 5 plus root 7 multiplied with 2 plus root 5. So 5 plus root 7 multiplied with 2 plus root 5. Here we have to multiply as we have multiplied in case of binomial with a binomial in case of algebraic expression. So here we will multiply like this, 5 multiplied with 2 plus 5 multiplied with root 5, then plus root 7 multiplied with 2, root 7 multiplied with 2, then root 7 multiplied with root 5. So this is equal to 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus square root of 35. So here we have used the identity, that is root A multiplied with root B is equal to root over AB. And at first case what we have discussed in our identity, that is root A or A plus root B multiplied with C plus root D is equal to, in this way we have to multiply. So this is the answer or this is the product. Second one, 5 plus root 5 is multiplied with 5 minus root 5. So we can use here A plus B whole into A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. So this is equal to 5 square minus root 5 square. So this is equal to 25 minus 5. So answer is 20. Third one, root 3 plus root 7 whole square. So here we can use the identity A plus B whole square, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here A is equal to root 3 and B is equal to root 7. So this is equal to root 3 square plus 2 multiplied with root 3 multiplied with root 7 plus 2AB plus B square, that means root 7 square. So this is equal to root 3 square, that is 3 plus 2. Here we will use the identity root A multiplied with root B is equal to root over AB. So 2 multiplied with root over 21 plus root 7 whole square is 7. So we can add 3 plus 7, that is 10 plus 2 root 21. So this is the answer. Next, root over 11 minus root over 7 multiplied with root over 11 plus root over 7. Here also we can use the identity a minus b multiplied with a plus b. So this is equal to a square minus b square. So root 11 square minus root 7 whole square. So this is equal to root 11 square is equal to 11 minus 7. So answer is 4. So in this way we can use the identities on real numbers.